Hey, it's Wes and welcome to DinkLife. Today we wanted to talk about how to use Google Flights to track your flights to get cheaper airfare. Start by selecting whether your flight is round trip or one way. Choose the number of passengers traveling. Select your flight class. Let's use economy for this example. Enter your departure city. You can type in the city name to see a list of nearby airports, or you can enter the airport code directly for quicker results. Pro tip, if you live near multiple airports, enter them all to compare costs and find the best deal. Now enter your destination city. While you can input multiple destinations, for this demonstration, we'll use one. Let's choose Paris to find the cheapest flight from Ohio to Disneyland Paris. Next, select your travel dates. Alternatively, you can choose to leave the dates open and browse how prices fluctuate through the year. For this example, we will use November 11th to 18th, a one-week trip. Now search for the flights. Now you will see your flights sorted by best departing flight, which are ranked on price and convenience. You can also sort by price and many other ways. You can also look at the date grid to see the cheapest days to travel. You can also look at the pricing graph to see how the prices change over the next few months. If you don't care about the dates, you can have Google Flights email you when it sees the cheapest flights between the two locations. You can then select to track flights, and Google Flights will monitor your search criteria, emailing you if it sees price drops. You can now return to Google Flights and view saved flights. It will graph out how the prices changed since you started the search. When you are done with a search, you can click the trash can to delete the search. Well, I hope this quick tutorial helps you save money in the future, searching for cheaper flights on your future trips. Thanks for watching, and as always, whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.